In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member on ClickUp. Quick guide. If you need to quickly revoke someone's access to a space in your ClickUp workspace, this walkthrough will show you the exact path to do it and share a few tips to avoid surprises. You'll want to be signed in with a role that can edit space settings, typically the space owner or an admin, so you see all the options I mentioned. Start on your ClickUp homepage. From here, move your cursor to the space where you want to manage access. On the right side of that space name, click the three dots to open the Space Options menu. This is your shortcut to all the space level settings you'll use to control who can see and edit work. When the menu opens, scroll down and choose More. Then select All Space Settings. This takes you into the full settings page for that space, where permissions and privacy live. On the settings page, scroll until you find the default permission section. Just below it, look for the Make Private Control. Click the toggle or button on the right. Turning this on narrows the space to only the people you explicitly include, which is how we'll remove someone's access. The page will expand to show the current invited members for this space. You'll now see a list and small avatar circles representing everyone who currently has access. If needed, you can also add people you do want to keep in the space, such as teammates or freelancers, so they remain included when the space is private. Anyone you add or keep will appear as a small circle under that same control, making it easy to review the final list. To remove a specific person, hover your cursor over their avatar circle. You'll see their name and a small X appear for quick removal. Click the X to revoke their access to this space. If ClickUp asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. Don't worry, you can always add them back